Hi everyone, I am V and welcome to my lifestyle channel where you can find DIYs, home decor, cooking, styling, and much more. Stay tuned and see what I have for you today. Today is the second video out of my series, my bathroom series, and this was a cabinet that was broken down. Its previous life was a shelf, was a bookshelf, and it was pretty beat up. You could see my previous video. And now this piece here, I've painted it up. So now it's all painted and I think it looks absolutely good. I'm going to go ahead now and hang the doors and show you guys what a spectacular piece, and I'm glad I thought about it. Like I said, I tried to throw it away a couple times and I just couldn't bring myself to it, but look at it now. I am finished with the piece and this is what it is looking like. I stabilized it and painted it, put in the shells, and also hung the door that did not come with the piece, but I fitted it to have that piece in there. And I am just so absolutely glad and amazed of how it came out. And the door work is going to be perfect for what I need it for. Here are a few things that I am going to use to style this cabinet. Like I told you, I wanted it for towels, and this is how everything is looking so far. Have all the towels all folded and ready to go, even some spar pieces that I want to style the cabinet with. So in future video, I will show them to you. Because how high the sink is. And I thought to myself, you know what, let me go ahead and put a drawer, because there's some drawers there already. So this is one of the drawer that I already made, and I cut a circular semicircle in the middle to accommodate the pipe. So this, I already put one in, and this is how I did it. I made a U shape and cut out the wood to match, well, to fit what I'm trying to make it fit. So this is the slide that I'm going to use. I purchased this from Lowe's, and I'm going to put it on either side of the drawer to help it move back and forth. So now I like the pull on this, and I have to get something that matched to finish off the cabinet that I showed you earlier. So this is how everything is looking, all of that empty and wasted space. This is the piece. I cut it wrong, so I brought it outside to readjust it. So now that I readjusted, I am going to add the slide to the side of it, and then one of the other slide goes on the side of the bottom of the cabinet to have it move back and forth easily. And then you screw it on to either side, and these are the screws that comes with the pieces in the package itself. And I'm going to go ahead and sand the piece down. I'm just fitting it to see how it will work out. So that's how the part of the slide is drilled in to the side of the cabinet, and then I measure the other side, make sure they are properly level. And the drawer was a little bit too big, so then I had to add the 2 pieces of wood on either side to make it fit. Eventually I'll go ahead and paint it out. So I put a little paint on there already, and this is how it's looking. Slide back and forth very easily. So now it's time to go ahead and paint it all up. So now that I painted up, I guess I didn't paint it as yet. So now it's painted, and this is what everything is looking like from side to side. This piece of contact paper here is the Peel Stick Draw Liner. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and because my bathroom is in the black and white French marble, I decided to use that floral piece because that reminds me a lot of French decor, and my bathroom is very Frenchish. And putting that flower pattern with the black and white, I just think like it adds something to that cabinet. I'm going to also go ahead and put some on the top drawer, and eventually I'll come back with another video because I think it's about 6 videos within the series. So guys, I really appreciate you for coming and watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you want to be first to be notified.